Should I focus on math first before I dive into machine learning algorithms? You can start with machine learning algorithms. Build your first Hello World machine learning model using Python's Scikit-learn framework or the caret package from R. This hands-on experience would create the excitement and forces you to understand the internals of machine learning algorithms. That's when excellent time for you to refresh your high school math, statistics, linear algebra, calculus, and probability theories, and all of that. Even now, get an understanding, get the foundations at high level. There is no need to go deep. As you advance into machine learning algorithms, you would require to have a detailed understanding on probability, derivatives, partial derivatives, and more of statistics. And you can go back and forth between math and machine learning algorithms. Having thorough understanding on the math would help you to choose the right machine learning model for the problem you're solving. Also to choose the right features and optimize those parameters to reach the better accuracy. There are plenty of free resources available for you to get up to speed on math. Khan Academy, 3 Blue, 1 Brown YouTube channels have great videos. Also, mathisfun.com is a great place for you to get an understanding on any new concept within 30 seconds to a minute. It's all about getting started. Just 30 minutes a day. You got this. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching and stay ready.